What's the meaning of concentration camp? Concentration camp. Concentration camp.
Concentration camp. Concentration camp.
A concentration camp is a type of prison where large groups of people, often based on their race or religion, are detained and subjected to harsh conditions, forced labor, and sometimes death. These camps have been historically used by authoritarian regimes as a tool to suppress dissidents and minority groups. The psychological and physical trauma inflicted upon detainees in these camps can have long-lasting effects, leading to PTSD and other mental health issues. The practice of using concentration camps has been widely condemned by international organizations and human rights advocates.